Hey guys, welcome back to my channel from Memphis, Tennessee. Okay, so tiny update. We kind of abruptly left our Baton Rouge Airbnb. We found a hidden camera in the house, so that wasn't fun. So we ended up staying at a crappy hotel last night, or not last night, 2 nights ago. And we got to Memphis yesterday at our new Airbnb that seems to be perfectly fine. So we are going to be taking a walk today with the doggies. Jay's inside getting our other doggie. And I'm just going to be kind of looking at plants that grow in Memphis, Tennessee and see what we got around here. It feels like spring. It's like 60, sunny. So I feel like stuff's starting to bloom. So let's see what we got out here. So it's a little sunny, but for starters, I don't know what this tree is, but look at the foliage on this. They have like red tips and these berries. This is such a pretty little tree. It has like moss growing on it. I love it. So pretty. This is relaxing. I just figured I'd bring you guys along. Anybody know what these little umbrella plants are? That's what I'm gonna call them. But it's so peaceful out here. I was hoping to see more plant life, but maybe spring just isn't here yet. Oh, look at this. Those are different. Oh, it's so sunny, guys, so my shadows are kind of off. What is that? Oh, this tree was uprooted. Look at that. A day in the life of a dog that has photography parents. Just gotta stop and wait. Those people that get lost.
Well, we're too late. Going this way is going, we went that way.
We are not lost. All right, guys, that was kind of boring, not gonna lie. Not sure if it's video worthy, but I had to end off on a Memphis note because I know you guys all knew we were coming to Memphis. Anyway, Prime, come here. We're just gonna hang out in the back for a few and enjoy this nice weather that we are not having in Chicago. I heard it's like in the 30s still. Bummer. Thanks, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.